Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful stairs, step by step. Let's start drawing. You and I are starting the drawing, starting with the first stairs from the top. Then I'll draw another one, stairs it, just like this. When drawing stairs, you have to be very careful so that the spots don't get dirty. This is the middle staircase. Then I will draw a couple of stairs and do the rest. So children, be patient. Then I'm drawing it to protect the weight of the ladder. Great, let's start coloring. I'm going to color the first staircase pink. Wow, that's great! Then I'll give the same color to the bottom. I'm using the same color. Give it to me. Take a good look. Now I'm giving it yellow color. Then I'll add yellow color below it too. Please be patient. I'm using yellow color. It looks very beautiful. This time I have to give it a blue color. This color is very beautiful. And this is the last color of the day. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!